Hint: we're in peak summer, or maybe you're a year-round ice cream connoisseur like myself and watching this in the winter. Either way, it's only right we break out our favorite summer appliance for another round of Protein Ninja Creami recipes. This time, we've got 5 new ones, all made with simple ingredients. So let's jump right into them. Question of the day, and to help give me some ideas for our next creamy video, what's the best flavor ice cream you've ever had? Drop it below. We'll start this by shamelessly promoting the Ninja Creami. If you don't have one of these, I think it's safe to say that it's probably one of the best diet investments you can make if you like ice cream. I'm still using the first generation one and have probably made over 1,000 pints with it. Let's say a store-bought protein pint of ice cream is on average $5, and it only cost me $1 to make it in the Creami. Using that math, the Creami has technically saved me $4,000 while giving me endless variety. If you want to check it out, I'll link it below. For our first recipe, we're going with a pineapple ice cream. Add right into your Creami pint 4 ounces of milk, 8 ounces of pineapple juice, I use it straight from the can, 1 scoop of a vanilla protein powder, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of a vanilla sugar-free instant pudding. We'll talk more about a substitute for this in a second. Give those a quick mix until smooth. Finish by adding in 4 pineapple rings, or whatever brings you up to the max fill line. Put that into the freezer overnight. Pro tip, you can use less milk and more pineapple juice for more of a sorbet. For our second recipe, coconut ice cream. Start by opening a can of light coconut milk or cream. Make sure it's canned. Add in 10 ounces of that, followed by 1 scoop of a vanilla protein powder, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 4 ounces of a coconut flavored Greek yogurt, and an optional 1/4 a teaspoon of xanthan or guar gum, which will both help at preventing ice crystals. Give everything a mix. I usually use this cheap handheld mixer, which I'll link to below, but sometimes I just throw everything in a shaker. Throw your lid on and put that into the freezer. For our third recipe, cake batter. Add into your pint 12 ounces of milk, 1 teaspoon of cake batter extract, which yes, I know is annoying, but it'll give you the best flavor and you can buy it for around $5 to $10. I'll put the one I use on the website along with more substitutes and metric conversions for everything here, which is always linked up here or below in the description. Continue with 2 ounces of cream cheese that you'll want to throw in the microwave for 30 seconds or until melted, 1 to 2 tablespoons of a cheesecake sugar-free instant pudding, and 1 scoop of a vanilla protein powder. Mix those together, put your lid on, and stick it into the freezer. For our fourth recipe, think frosted fast food chicken restaurant. Add in 8 ounces of a sugar-free lemonade, 4 ounces of a lemon Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 scoop of a vanilla protein powder, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of a lemon sugar-free instant pudding. Mix until smooth, hit it with your lid, and pop it into the freezer. For our last and fifth recipe, we're doing another variation to our last recipe since it's one of my favorites. Add into your pint 10 ounces of milk, 4 ounces of a lemon Greek yogurt, 1 scoop of a vanilla protein powder, some sugar-free pink or regular lemonade mix. I either go half a big packet or 2 small packets, and a little optional lemon zest. Mix everything together, close it, and throw it into the freezer. Now to make these. Once frozen, you'll want to take your pint out of the freezer and either let it thaw for 10 minutes or hit the sides with some hot water. If you end up with a creamy hill and don't want to risk it, you can resolve this by either shaving it down with a vegetable peeler like this or putting a glass of hot water on top of it. Put it in the Creami and push light ice cream. Should end up like this. From here, pour in 1 ounce or 2 of a complementing liquid for whatever flavor you made. More milk, coconut cream, lemonade, whatever works, and hit respin. Last, pick a spot in the middle of your pint and add in your choice mix-ins. Here's what I use for all the flavors we made today. Chocolate chips and graham cracker crumbs in our pineapple ice cream, crushed up chocolate and toasted coconut in our coconut ice cream, sprinkles and a couple birthday cake flavored mini muffins in our birthday cake ice cream, but any sort of cake texture works great here. And fresh fruit, a couple shortbread cookies, or white chocolate chips in either of the frosted lemonade ice creams. If you've made your choice, if any at all, hit mix in, and it's time to dive in. Outside the box here with your mix-ins. As someone who loves as many textures as possible in my ice cream, there's almost nothing I haven't tried. Some of my favorites: mini peanut butter cups, wafers, Oreo thins, mint chips, and brittle. Drop some of your favorites for everyone to try in the comments. A couple more tips for this one. Number one, if you want more delicious recipes like this and haven't checked it out yet, our new book, The Protein Blueprint, is dropping soon. Number two, if you need to scale the recipe, say if you want multiple pints or have different size containers, you can easily do this on the website. Number three, if you don't have access to instant pudding mixes, you can simply use 1/4 teaspoon of xanthan or guar gum, or vice versa. If you don't have access to or like xanthan or guar gum, you can use an instant pudding mix. Number four, the difference between xanthan and guar gum. Xanthan provides a firmer texture that is dense, scoopable, and it's good with ice. Guar provides a soft, gooey texture. It's a bit better at preventing ice crystals. You can also use both. I prefer xanthan gum. Number five, add a pinch of salt to any flavor to enhance your flavors. And number six, don't be scared to mix and match the flavors in your recipe to change them up. With that said, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button for more recipe ideas like this one. Don't forget to check out the Protein Blueprint. Subscribe if you haven't already so you never miss a video. Visit theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy.